Welcome students in a series of decimals. Today's topic is division of decimals by decimal number. So let us divide 32.4 by 0.6 and both are decimal numbers. At first we will write it in a form of fraction 32.4 by 0.6. Now what we will do when we divide by a decimal number? We will remove the decimal point. And how can we remove decimal point? Just by multiplying by 10, 100 or 1000 which is required. So in 0.6 we will multiply by 10 because when we multiply by 10 in 0.6 it will be 6. So we will multiply by 10 by 10. Why? Because if we are multiplying in denominator, we should multiply in numerator also by that same number. That's why we will multiply by 10 by 10. Now 32.4 multiplied by 10 is 324.0 and 0.6 is multiplied by 10 gives 6.0, or we can write it 324 by 6 and it is very easy to solve now. We can easily solve it. How? 324 by 6. So divide it. 6 5s are 30 and subtract it. It is 2. We will write down 4 here. 6 4s are 24. It is a simple kind of division and it gives quotient 54, which is our final answer. Let us do one more question. 0.819 by 1.3. We need to divide 0.819 by 1.3. At first we will write it as fraction. We can write it like this, 0.819 by 1.3. Now here is 1.3. We need to remove decimal point from denominator. So by which we should multiply? We can multiply 1.3 by 10. So it is 0.819 by 1.3 multiplied by 10 by 10. Now at first we will multiply in numerator. Always remember, whenever you multiply it just a normal kind of multiplication as normal multiplication and then put decimal, or either you can follow the rules. So 0.819 multiply by 10 and 1.3 multiply by 10. So what you will get? You will get 8.190 and in denominator it is 13.0 and you can write it like this, 8.19 by 13. Now let us divide in 8.19 by 13. So we will divide in 8.19 by 13. But you know that 8 is smaller than 13. So we will put 1 0 and decimal point. Now it is 8181. We can divide in 81. So 13 6 are 78. Now we will subtract it. It is 3. We will write down 9. 13 3s are 39. We will subtract it. It is 0 and our answer is 0.63. Let us do one more question. 8.01 divided by 0.009. Now what we will do? At first we will write as a fraction 8.01 by 0.009. Now here 3 decimal place in this denominator. It means we should multiply by 1000. So simple. So we will multiply by 1000 in numerator and denominator both. It means 8.01 by 0.009 multiply by 1000 by 1000. Now we will multiply this numerator part and this denominator part. So what we will get here? We will get 8010.00 and in numerator we will get 9.000, or we can write like this, 8010 by 9. Now it is very simple to do. We need to divide by 9 in 8010 and it is a simple kind of division. 9 8s are 72. We will do subtraction. We will get 8 and we will write down 1. 9 9s are 81. We will subtract it. We will get 0. We will write down 0 and now 1 0 for that. So our answer is 890. Let us do one more question so the things will be clear to you. 7.55 divided by 0.0005. Now at first we will write it as a fraction. So it is like that, 7.55 divided by 0.0005. Now here count how many decimal places in denominator. 4 decimal places, and with 40, a number which is, yes, 10,000. We will multiply by 10,000 in numerator also and denominator also. So what we will get in numerator part? We will get this 75,500.00, and in denominator we will get 5.0000, or we can write it like this, 75,500 by 5. Let us divide by 5 in 75500. So how we will divide? 5 ones are 5 minus, it is 2. We will write down 5. 5 fives are 25. We will do subtraction. It is 0. And we will write down 5. 5 ones are 5. Now we will do subtraction. It is 0. We will write down 1 0. No. So it is 0. Again 1 0. And it is 0. So our answer is 15,100. Word problem. It is always compulsory to relate mathematics to our real life, and word problems is the best way. So how many pieces of rope, each 1.2 meter long, can be cut from a rope which measures 45.6 meter? It means what is given to you. There is a rope. The length of rope is 45.6 meter, and you need to cut pieces, equal pieces from that rope, and the length of one piece of rope is 1.2 meter. And what you need to calculate, that is number of pieces. It means divide 45.6 divided by 1.2, total length divided by length of one piece. So how we will divide? At first we will write it as a fraction, 45.6 by 1.2, and you know that there is 1.2, one decimal place in denominator. So we will multiply by 10. Like this, 45.6 by 1.2 multiply by 10 by 10. Now after multiplication, what we will get? We will get this 456.0 by 12.0, or we can write this like this also. We can divide 456 by 12. So let us divide by 12. 12 threes are 36. We will subtract it. It is 9. We will write down 6. 12 eights are 96, and after subtraction it is 0. It means how many pieces? 38 pieces of rope can be cut. So, my dear students, if you will face any problem in mathematics, what you need to do? You need to just do practice, and you can solve any problem. Goodbye.